Hi guys and girls on YouTube. I've got a slightly interesting video this week. Somebody's brought this toaster in for repair, and he said it trips the electric in his house when he tries to use it. So the first thing I'm going to do is do a pat test on it, because there's not really much in a toaster to go wrong. Right, so here we go. I'm doing this with a crocodile. So I've got hand free for the camera. Turn it on. Let's turn this on. Select class 1 earthed appliance, 500 volts. And straight away you can see it's failed on earth leak. So what could cause that in a toaster? You've only got the elements, the timer and the switch. So there you go, earth to live. We've got a resistance of 3.6 megs. Right, now this is interesting. I've got 3 of the elements out, and if we look at this, if I put a probe on there and a probe on that earth, we have got about 28 megs from the live to ground. Let's try this other element and try that there, and that's also got about 26 megs earth leakage. This one's actually okay, but we've got at least 2 with earth leakage. Now the strange thing is, but I have come across this before on microwave ovens, on some grill elements. This is actually mica, it's insulating, so there's no direct connection between the element and this. So the earth leakage must be surface leakage across this mica face, or perhaps even inside the mica, which is supposed to be an insulator. But the fact that I've taken 3 elements out and 2 have got earth leakage, I've advised the customer it would be better to just put 5 new elements in rather than do half a job. Right, so on the final 2 elements we've got another one here that has an earth leakage. That's about 38 megs. And the end one, which has a different part number to the centres, that is actually alright. So we got 3 out of 5 elements with an earth leak. Now since I've disassembled all this, the earth leakage seems to be a lot higher than it was before, but there's definitely something going on with these elements. So I've cleared it with a customer. He said put 5 new elements in, do the job properly. I have of course ordered genuine parts. I wouldn't risk buying anything on eBay. And let's just stop the camera and then we'll come back to it when the elements come. Right, so here's the new elements arrived direct from the manufacturer. They also supply free of charge a special spanner to undo them nuts, which is very handy. And the first thing you'll notice with these elements is they actually look different, totally different. But I've got this bulletin here, says they will fit. It's a direct replacement even though it looks different. What you'll notice is the outside of this has a mica covering on, whereas this has exposed elements. Now I wonder if they've had some sort of problem with these elements with earth leakage, and that's why they supply like a modified one. But anyway, I've got all 5. The 2 end ones have a different part number to the 3 centres. So let's get them all fitted in. In fact, I've just noticed on this sheet of paper they sent me, it says if you have non-wind black heating elements, please call our helpline. So that's probably an indication that they have had a problem with these elements. And strangely enough, it tells you there to do a pat test. So I would have probably, I mean, I don't mend toasters every day. This is only the second one I've seen of these. I would imagine this is probably a common fault. Right, so 5 new elements later, let's try the pat test again. get it out of there. Get it out of the light. The ticking you can hear is because I have to set the timer to turn it on. And there we go, absolutely perfect now. Right, I'm just running it for a few minutes to get rid of the any smells from the new elements. It's set to 4 slice. And here on 4 slices we're drawing 9.2 amps. And 2 slice it's 5.6 amp. So it's all looking good. So just for curiosity, I've connected one of these elements to my high voltage power supply just to see if I can see any leakage anywhere. And we're up to, I put 5 kV across it. I can actually smell corona, but I can't see any leakage. Even with the light out, you can't see any traces of any blue leakage anywhere. Anyway, that's sort of the problem. 5 new elements. I've just clipped it on there so you can see that's reading about 30 megs. And that's the faulty 3. Alright guys and girls, many thanks for watching my channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.